Hey, I got glitter on my eye. I got glitter on my eye. You got glitter. I got glitter. We got glitter on the eye. Remix glitter on the eye. We are shining in the light of Lord. We are shining in the light of Lord. One time. We are shining in. Hey, I am shining. I feel like a purple goddess. You know, it's not just any goddess. Goddess. When you say goddess, you really know what that means. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about the Venus 3 palette. So I got this from Limecrime and they personalized it with a little T, if you can see. So cute. But yeah, they've just opened a new space in Selfridges, so I thought I'd do a video in regards to this palette. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, why not stay tuned, because I'm going to show you next. But before we get into that, before we get into that video, you need to support me and subscribe to my channel. Listen, I don't know what some of you guys are waiting for. You'll be watching my videos, but you ain't subscribing, so I'm just going to give you a few seconds while you hit that subscribe button. Did you subscribe? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm taking the Venus 3 palette. Woo! Look how absolutely gorgeous these colours are. So I think I'm going to go for like a purple, pink eyeshadow style. And I want it to be very vibrant and glittery. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with Dreamy. It has a base colour. Of course, if you guys know me by now, my favourite eyeshadow primer is of course the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. So I'm just going to put that on the lids of my eyes. Okay, I got a bit excited and it's gone a little bit, everywhere. I'm just going to blend that in. It's nice just to blend it in just with a beauty blender. Then I'm taking my Belle brush in C6 and I'm just going to work in that Dreamy eyeshadow. Has a base colour. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, let me just stop right there before I even talk anymore. I just literally dabbed the eyeshadow and now I'm like regretting it because you don't even need to put that much. Look already, the pigmentation. Look how it just swiftly came off the brush, like onto my eye. I put way too much, guys. Way too much. But as I was saying, this is the Belle brush in C6. Absolutely love these brushes. I'm gonna like try and link them down below because I love these brushes. They just pick up the eyeshadow very quickly and they're quite inexpensive for a pot. So always use those brushes when doing my makeup. And then I'm gonna take my Real Techniques and just blend that in a little bit because it's come off so pigmented on my eye. How cute is that? So Dreamy was kind of like a purple lilac base shade and I'm now going to go in with Beam. This is a lilac glitter shade which I definitely want to go in with. Just taking a little bit with my Belle brush. So I'm just going to tap that lightly on top of the base colour. And what I used to do before was I literally used to just go straight in with the glitter on my eye, but that doesn't really work. You need to do a base colour so that the colour is more vibrant and more pigmented. It depends on what type of look you're going for. Like if you want it to be kind of darker glitter, I would have gone in with Paradise as a base to give that a more purple, but I wanted a more lilac glitter. So that's why I use Dreamy has a base colour, so you can see the pink nude lilac undertones with the glitter on top. So just be mindful when you are doing like glitter eyeshadows that you do have a base colour underneath. So if you want more of a pink undertone or a blue undertone or more of a deep purple undertone, that's the base colour that you should be going for. Hey, I got glitter on my eye. I got glitter on my eye. You got glitter, I got glitter. We got glitter on the eye. Remix glitter on the eye. Taking my Real Techniques brush again because my loves, my loves, we need to blend. We need to blend it all in. Blend it all in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Listen, sometimes I fast forward this bit because obviously it's a long process. My loves, be blending for at least minimum 5 minutes. So then what I want to do is go in with a Rapture, which is this pearlescent beige colour, just in the crease of my eyes, just to give it a little bit more of definition and just to highlight the purple eyeshadow. So I'm taking my Real Techniques Deluxe crease brush. Sorry, everything is rubbed out, I don't know what they are. And I'm just going to put that in my crease just to emphasise and enhance my purple eyeshadow. Okay, and then on the bottom, I'm just going to put Paradise. It's that purple base colour. We are shining in the light of Lord. We are shining in the light of love. One time, we are shining in. Hey, I am shining. I feel like a purple goddess. You know, it's not just any goddess. Goddess. When you say goddess, you really know what that means. My loves, I'm looking beautiful. So because my brush is like all kind of like purpled up, I'm taking this Spectrum A18 brush, and I like it anyway because it doesn't really move. The bristles are so stiff. And I'm just going to go in with Heavenly, which is a kind of golden shade, and I'm just going to go into the tear ducts with that shade. Okay, so I put on my mascara and my lip gloss, and this is the final look, guys. As always, if you love this video, why not give it a like? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Why not share it? And you can always follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list down below, and I'll also leave the list down below of all the products I use. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember, guys, to always stay what? Bougie.